Alright, welcome once again to Mathematics Mail. Today we want to solve the takeaway question that we gave in the previous video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you follow us on Facebook. Always make sure that you share our videos, like our videos, and also leave a comment for us. It is very necessary. Alright, so in the last video we gave this simple question. Yeah, it's actually simple. I know some people try to solve it and many got the answer to the question. So let's look at the question together. Let's see the solution quickly. So we have this. Okay. So we have 0.027 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Now the first thing we need to do, just like we explained in our previous video, that we need to change this to what? To vulgar fraction. So this will become 27 over 1000. We explained that, raised to power minus 2 over 3. Now we still have an obstacle following our step. Take note of the word term or expression. In the process of taking note of this term or this expression, we discover that this is in decimal. That's why we have to actually transform it to be in what? In vulgar fraction. Then use appropriate rule or law to remove negative sign on the power if there is any. Definitely there is. You have a negative sign here. So we are going to remove the negative sign. And we have a rule. That rule is that a over b raised to power minus m over n is same thing as b over a now raised to power m over n. If you have watched the first video, you will see that. So we'll apply that rule, and if we do that, we're going to have 1000 now over 27 raised to power what? 2 over 3. By inverting this fraction, we can now remove this negative sign. This following the fourth law of indices on negative index or negative powers. Okay, now if we move further, we can decide to reduce this to lowest term, but in this case, this and this, they don't have common what? They don't have common factor. So because 1027, they don't have common factor, we'll go straight to apply the root power form. So we say write the term in root power form. And if we do that, we are going to have what? Cube root of 1000 over 27, all raised to power what? 2. This is the root, this is the power. So root power form, root power form. We have done that. Now, if we decide to evaluate the power first before the root, we're going to have some crazy number. Like if we do 27 raised to power 2, the number will be very high. So it will be easier for us to evaluate the root so that we reduce the magnitude, the size of the numbers for the powers to be easily evaluated. So if we look at this now, what is the cube root of 1000? That's what we ask ourselves. The cube root of 1000 is 10. What's the cube root of 27? Is 3. That's number that will multiply itself 3 times to give us 1000. That's 10. Number that will multiply itself 3 times to give us 27. That's 3. So all raised to power what? 2. So we have evaluated the root, and that's why the root is no longer here. So cube root of 1000 this, cube root of 27 this. So this function, this particular root function is gone because it has been operated here. So it's no longer needed. But we are yet to operate the power. So that's why the power is still here. So 10 raised to power 2 will give me 100. And 3 raised to power 2 will give me 9. So the answer is 100 over 9. You can still change it to what? To decimal. So that you have 11 whole number, sorry, to miss fraction, so that you have 11 whole number 1 over 9. That's what you will have. Alright, so if we write it in that form, 11 whole number 1 over 9, we will not be explaining how we got 11 whole number 1 over 9, but 9 times this is 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. So when 9 divide this, we have 11, 11 remaining 1, all upon 9. That's basic fraction. Okay. In our next video, we are going to focus our attention in solving more problems on what? On indices. So we are going to increase the nature of the question, we try to bring more complex questions, and we increase it in that order. Remember, we are still on fractional indices. That's what we are still looking at, and we'll solve as many problems as possible as it concerns fractional indices before we can move to equations involving indices. Thank you for watching this particular episode on Mathematics Mail. Till I come your way next time, continue to enjoy our videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share our videos to your friends so that they can also learn what you are learning. Remember, I'm still your friend, your brother, and also your tutor, Engineer I. Okechukwu. Bye.